Hi folks, welcome to the Dashcam Dasher for another exciting video. So last week the beast was revealed. So it was a 2019 Kawasaki Ninja ZX10R. I have been riding my Ninja 300 for the past 7 years, and now I have upgraded myself to this ZX10R, and it is a big upgrade and I was literally surprised. So now it is time for me to let you know what are my first impressions with this motorcycle. So I have upgraded myself to a motorcycle which is 5 times more powerful than the one I am riding right now. So that's a very big upgrade, and these are my first impressions with this motorcycle. The first thing that I have to mention here is the enormous power this motorcycle produces. It produces 213 bhp at the crank, and it is scarily fast. Words can't describe how fast this motorcycle is, it can only be felt. Even for experienced riders, the power this motorcycle produces is too much to handle. Just a twist of a throttle and the 200 km/h mark is there in just seconds. Luckily for people like me, there are 3 power modes: low, medium and high. And in low power mode, this produces only 60% of its maximum power. In my first 1000 km of my ownership, I was riding this motorcycle only in the low power mode. Even though I have started to use the full power mode now, what I understood is it will take some time for me to adapt to the full power of this motorcycle. The next thing which I have to mention is the attention it gains on our Indian roads. Right from day 1 to till date, wherever I go, it turns heads. People ask for snaps whenever I stop, and sometimes I get waved by car riders on highways. It is understandable since it is a super sport motorcycle, given the rarity of such motorcycles on our Indian roads. One more thing that caught my attention in this motorcycle is the electronic aids this motorcycle offers. Apart from the 3 power modes, this motorcycle also has 5 levels of traction control which can be changed even while riding. It also offers a launch control which can be used in track days, and there are 2 modes of engine braking available in this motorcycle. One downside is this motorcycle doesn't come with a fuel gauge. Looking at the hardware offered in this motorcycle, everything is premium, right from the Brembo brakes to the Showa suspension to the Öhlins electronic steering damper. This motorcycle also offers 330mm dual discs at the front, and it has excellent braking capacity. This motorcycle also offers quick shifter for both upshift and downshift, and the downshift comes with the auto blipper. No need to press the clutch lever every time to shift the gears. Then, looking at the comfort in this motorcycle, I have to say it is comfortable in one way and not so comfortable in another way. The seat is really comfortable when compared to my Ninja 300, but the riding position is in such a way that it is not possible to ride for long distance. The forward-leaning riding position really puts a stress on your arms, and the position of the foot peg is in such a way that it strains your knees over long distance riding. Also, since it's a super sport motorcycle, it does heat up a lot, and it is really uncomfortable to ride in daytime. The real fun starts when you start to ride this motorcycle on our highways. You can easily cruise at 180 to 200 km/h. It doesn't take any effort to catch up other motorcycles or cars. Just a twist of the throttle is enough. The real problem starts when you start to ride this motorcycle in this city. Owing to its huge dimensions and a longer wheelbase, and the motorcycle being heavy, it is very difficult to maneuver the motorcycle in cities. Taking a U-turn is even more difficult since it takes almost a car's turning radius. Finally, one thing which I have to mention here is about the headlights. The headlights are not good enough for our Indian highways. So these are my initial impressions with my new ZX10R. So thanks for watching, guys. Please stay tuned for more exciting videos. ट्राइपॉड